Hey you guys, this is Chanel LV. Welcome to my channel. I hope you and your family are having a fabulous day, especially this coming Thanksgiving holiday. Alright, I have this 22C piece that I would like to share that came in yesterday. Let's get started. That way I can share with you to see if this is really pretty in what they call the hottest color of the season. Here you go. You guys ready? Let's do it. I never had this kind of color, so this would be my first. Here you go. I just love to dump it up like this. Care booklet. Oh, they cut my tag from 22C. Yes, it's the color that everybody wanted this season. It's pink, NG123. Here we go, guys. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this pink color. They are talking about if this is close to the color Sakura pink. I don't have one, so I cannot compare. But this is just a beautiful pink in my opinion. Wow. Let's take out this pack. Magnetic button closure. There you go. Here is the bottom. And the front, gold tone hardware. Beautiful caviar leather. Oh my goodness. Here is the bottom. So pretty. Here is the side. Uh-oh. What is that? My goodness. Do you guys see that? I don't know if it's a scratch or a color transfer right there. Oh my goodness. And here I am trying to add the color pink in my collection. Okay. And then the other side. Let's see this side. This one looks okay. Oh my goodness. All my excitement melted down the top, but I'll go ahead and share the rest of the features of this wallet on chain. Oh no. And I think this is the last one. It's so hard to get this piece. So I'm not gonna unwrap this chain because this will probably go back in the back. I have a natural lighting here. It's kind of cloudy outside. So this is the real color of this depending on the setting of your phone. Wow. I am in love with the color. Don't get me wrong. But I am so disappointed that this came in damaged or scratch. So what do you guys think? Will you keep it? Or is there any solution to this issue? Here's the inside. So pretty. so I can show you the real color of this piece. Front flat pocket, zip pocket, and the inside textile lining, 6-card holder, and on the other side it's a leather line. It's made in France. One flat pocket right here. Where is the authenticity plate? It's hiding right here. Pink textile lining inside. Here's the detail of the zipper. Oh my goodness. Chanel right there. It could have been perfect except for the scratch on the side, on this side. Oh my gosh. For the price that I paid, I don't think I'll keep it. As much as I love to keep this piece, I don't think I'll do it. What do you guys think? I am just so sad. Oh my goodness. Well, at least I get to share the color with you guys. So I have to text my SA right away and let him know the situation of this order. Anyway, I forgot to share. Here is the price. It went up from the recent price increase and the style code. Oh well, things happen. It's not the end of the world. My exciting unboxing gone wrong to disappointing unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the color, but I'm so disappointed with the condition of the bag. Hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Stay safe. Bye.